Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert new blocks in your Notion templates. This is how you're going to create your to-do list. You're going to insert calendars, tables. This is what you're going to have to do. So you're going to see something where it says write something or press space for AI. You're going to hit the / command and it's going to give up all these basic blocks. You can scroll down. There's a lot to look through, but if you hover over them, they do give you a little bit of a preview of what this looks like if you're going to insert it into your Notion template. So you can kind of play around with the different things. How you could also add this or even get this without doing the / command. When you hover over that little box, you're going to see a plus sign and you can click on that plus sign and that's also going to open up that box and you're going to be able to see all the same options. It's kind of just, I guess, if you have a computer versus a phone or an iPad, it's probably easier to push the plus button on an iPad. So that's both ways that you can insert new blocks into your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.